Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this beach skirt on Dress to Impress. You do need VIP for this, and you only need 3 items. So you're going to grab this in the second toggle, and you can use any pattern that you like. I'm just going to use this one. Then I'm going to select this skirt in that same pattern. Then I'm going to go to this dress with a bow, and you're going to select bow only, and you're going to color it the same pattern as the rest, and that's pretty much it. It is actually super simple to do. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.